Bodoland Secretariat Office-नि मोखाङाव मोनसे हटेलाव हरनै थाबाय मोनसे इमारजेन्सि खामानिनि थाखाय फैनानै थांनो हायाखिसै। गाबोनसो थांगोन। 11 तारिखै फैदोंमोन फुंनि 5टा बाजियाव न'निफ्राय क'क्राझारसिम। मैया मोनसे खामानि जाबाय, बिएड एडमिसन लाखांबाय। एडमिसन लाखांनानै नै दिनै CIT सेन्ट्रेल इन्स्टिटिउट अफ टेक्न'लजियाव सासे गथ'नि एडमिसनखौ लाखांनानै फिन मोनानि थाखाय थांनो हायाखिसै। हटेलाव थाफैनो गोनां जाबाय। नै रायजोफोर हटेलनि थाग्रा खथाखौ नाय। Hello my friends, I have been living since yesterday for an emergency work. Yesterday I have taken admission as a deputation of BEd and Cockrazar Government College, and today 12th July, for the reason of my son's city admission, I have to stay here today also, and this lots near the secretary office of BTC. नायदो रायजोफोर, आंनि लोगोफोर, नै बे जाबाय खुगा सुग्रा, मोखां सुग्रा। बे खथाया बारा गिदिर नङा। नै मना, बेडआ खैथा मोननै बिसिना, मोनसे फिसाज्लानि, मोनसे आंनि। Very beautiful, comfortable to stay here. This room is nice. Maybe toilet, खिग्रा हासुग्रा, bathroom. नायना लादो. This is the bathroom. देखो, very beautiful, very comfortable. This bathroom is also. Toilet is also. Dining table. This is 2 bottles. Empty bottles are here, and a pair of umbrella. And this is mango. This is fan. Table fan is running.